Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Discord that helps you maintain control over your messaging. If you want to turn on message filtering from non-friends, especially after the latest update, follow these simple steps. First, let's open the Discord app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents your user settings. Click on that gear icon to enter the settings menu. Now that you're in your settings, scroll down the left-hand side until you find the privacy and safety option. Click on it. Here you'll discover various options to help you manage your messaging preferences. In this section, you'll want to focus on filtering your direct messages. Find the option that says Filter Direct Messages from Non-Friends. This is the feature that will help you avoid receiving unwanted messages from people who aren't on your friends list. Simply click the checkbox next to this option to enable it. That's it. You've successfully turned on the Filter Messages feature for non-friends on Discord. Now you can chat with your friends without the distraction of unsolicited messages from strangers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other apps. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.